This video walks you through how to clear and start over in TurboTax. Begin with TurboTax already open and signed in, then open the tax return you want to clear. Make sure you are in the correct return before you continue, because this process removes the current tax data from that file and returns you to the beginning. Once the return is open, look to the menu on the left side of the screen. In that menu, select Switch Products. When you click it, TurboTax expands additional options connected to your current return. Stay in that area and look for the option labeled Clear and Start Over. Select Clear and Start Over. After that, TurboTax takes you to a page that asks for confirmation before anything is removed. You will see a message that says, "Are you sure you want to clear and start fresh?" This page is there to make sure you review what will happen before moving forward. Take a moment to read the information on that page. TurboTax explains what happens when your tax data is cleared. This is the point where you confirm that you want to remove the information currently entered in the return and restart from the beginning. If you are clearing the wrong return, go back before selecting the next option. If you are ready to continue, click I want to clear my tax data. That action opens one more confirmation window. TurboTax asks again, "Are you sure you want to clear your return?" This second confirmation is the final check before the return is reset. In that confirmation window, click Yes, clear my tax data. After you confirm, TurboTax begins clearing the current return. You may see a short pause while the change is processed. Once it finishes, the return data is removed, and you can begin your tax return again from the start. The main thing to watch during this process is that you are clearing the intended return, since the screens are designed to confirm the action before the data is removed. The left menu option, the review page, and the final confirmation window all appear in sequence. So if your screen looks different, pause and make sure you are still in the correct place inside TurboTax. After the clearing process is complete, TurboTax resets the current return so you can re-enter your information from the beginning instead of continuing with the data that was there before. That is the full process from opening the return to confirming the reset inside the final prompt. Thanks for watching. Your current TurboTax return is now cleared and ready to be started again from the beginning.